Hello, this is Tom of North Cal on Fun and Green Motorcycles. This is my channel dedicated just to electric motorcycles. Okay, I have an early morning ride on my Livewire. See, it's very dark, and I'm using the GoPro 4 with a special mirror mount. This mirror mount allows me to turn the GoPro 180 degrees if I want, or even more. And it's a very, very nice mount. I bought it from Amazon. I can't remember what it is, but I'll post it later in the text that describes the video. So as you can see, as I'm traveling from dark to light, it's sort of dark. The GoPro 4, it's an older GoPro, it's not as good as the new ones, but as you can see, here I'm just goofing around, I don't know where I'm getting around, but I'm just leaning back and forth. But anyways, as you can see, okay, as I was saying, I'm just goofing around here, and as you can see, the Livewire headlight is doing a good job. I can clearly see the road, no issues, no problems. So if you're wondering how well the headlight handles in the dark, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm just going to do a few more seconds of the straightaway. I'm going to rotate the camera soon so you can get an idea of how well this mount works. Okay, ready? Boom. There. Okay. I can adjust it on the fly and get a nice B-roll. Yes, B-roll. A view of me, and you can see a little bit of Livewire on the bottom there. And again, the GoPro is a little dark. This older GoPro, it's a little darker. It's okay. But I like it. The backgrounds are beautiful. The sky is beautiful. It captures the color in the sky very nicely. And you can see the silhouette of the trees in the background. Not bad. Just a nice, fun experiment. Okay, one more turn and twist of the mount. Now you have another view. And I like this. This is really nice. You get a nice view of what's going on to my right hand side. And I will tell you that some of the landscapes in the Vallejo Venetia area are just beautiful. And I wanted you to see that. And being able to twist and turn this mount on the mirror, oh, it's just very nice. Here, turn it again, just a little more adjusting. But yeah, it's just nice to have this. So if you want to get a better shot, you can adjust it on the fly and just, you know, let your viewers enjoy different views without having to buy dozens of equipment and experiment. Just find one of these adjustable mirror mounts and plug a little GoPro on it and turn and twist it as you want to go. Okay, the rest is just eye candy on my trip to the coffee shop. So just enjoy and take care.